Hey guys, it's Miss Wagner. I'm going to go over Monday night's homework, just problem number 1. This week it's definitely going to be challenging because we're going to be doing two-step word problems and you're not sure of what kind of combination we could have. You're going to be doing all operations, either addition, subtraction, multiplying, and dividing. So you really want to make sure that you're paying attention and making that picture in your head and then drawing it out to help you when trying to solve these word problems. So remember, the first thing we always do is we always read it. It says, Shamar is tiling his bathroom floor. He needs 96 tiles to cover the entire floor. He already has 36 tiles. If the tiles come in boxes of 10 each, how many more boxes of tiles does Shamar need to finish tiling his bathroom floor? So you're going to do the same thing that we've already done before, where you make your KWS chart, so what we know, what we want to know, and then our answer sentence. So let's pull out the information that's already giving to us. So we know that Shamar is putting tiles down on his bathroom floor. We know that he has 96 tiles, or he needs 96 tiles to cover the entire floor. So that's key. He needs 96 tiles to cover the entire floor. Then if you look in the next sentence, it says he already has 36 tiles. So we're going to write already has 36 tiles. Okay, and then if we keep reading, if the tiles come in boxes of 10 each, how many more boxes of tiles does Shamar need to finish tiling the floor? So we know that the tiles come in boxes of 10 each, right? So that's something else that we know. Tiles come in boxes. Tiles comes in boxes of 10 each. Okay? Then we need to look at our question. What do we want to know? Well, we want to know how many boxes of tiles is he going to need to finish this floor? Okay? So, how many boxes will he need to finish the floor? Okay. So, what we need to think about over here is what we know. He needs a total of 96 tiles. Do we know already how many he has? Yes, he already has 36. So the first thing that I'm going to need to do is take the total number of tiles that he needs, and I'm going to need to subtract it by the number of tiles he already has. So if you do 6 minus 6 is 0, and 9 minus 3 is 60. So he needs 60 more tiles in order to fill up this bathroom floor. Now, we know that the tiles come in boxes of 10 each. So what we need to figure out is how many boxes are we going to need. So if you know your total right here is 60, right? And you need to figure out how many more boxes, what we're going to do now is then divide by 10. Because you know that there's 10 in each box. Okay? Or what you can do too is draw out how many boxes until you get to 60. Well, there's 10. Now we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So how many boxes does he need in order to get a total of 60? Well, he needs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then there's your answer. So, it seems very complicated, but you just have to take it step by step. So then for our answer sentence, it's going to read, Shamar needs 6 more boxes of tiles. Hey guys, it's Miss Wagner again. This time I'm going to go over the word problem for Tuesday night's homework. It's problem number 2. So let's read it together. During Thanksgiving break, Martrez bought 36 Christmas ornaments to put on his Christmas trees. He placed an equal number of ornaments on 6 trees. His mom accidentally knocked over a tree and broke all the ornaments. How many ornaments are not broken? So remember, after we read, you want to set up your chart of what you know, what you want to know, and your answer sentence. Okay? This is really important so that you can make sure you have all of your information down before we start solving the problem. So when we go back and we look at what we know, well, we know that Martrez bought 36 Christmas ornaments, right? So M bought 36 ornaments. Okay. And he wanted to put it on his Christmas trees. I wonder how many Christmas trees he has. He placed an equal number of ornaments on 6 trees. Look, I just answered my question. So, he has 6 trees. That is something else that we know. Then his mom knocked over a tree and broke all of the ornaments. So on that one tree, so mom knocked down one tree. Mom knocked, down one tree. And all the ornaments broke. Mom knocked down one tree and broke the ornaments. Now we need to figure out what we want to know. So, now we want to know how many ornaments are not broken. Okay? So, how many ornaments are not broken? Okay? So next then, we need to start with the information that we know to help us start solving. So, it told us that he had 6 trees, correct? So here we have our 1 tree. Oh dear. Here we have tree number 2, tree number 3, tree number 4, tree number 5, and tree number 6, right? Now, do we know how many ornaments he placed on each tree? Well, no, but I do know it says that there's an equal number on each tree. So, if there is an equal number on each tree, I'm going to have to divide out my ornaments. So we're going to have 36 divided by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay, so now, how many ornaments are on each tree? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you have 36 divided by 6. So we know there are 6 ornaments on each trees. Next part of the story is that mom comes in, right? What happens when mom comes in? She knocks down this whole tree, okay? So that whole tree is down. So since Mom knocks down that tree, now we have to lose 6 ornaments. So what we're going to have to do is take our total, which we know is 36, and subtract it from 6. Because now we have 6 broken ornaments. So 6 minus 6 is 0, and 3 minus blank is 3. So now we have 30 ornaments left that are not broken. And if you have trouble with that, just look at our picture and you can count all of our ornaments on each tree. So then for our answer sentence, there are 30 ornaments that are not broken. So just remember, when answering other questions with our word problems, always make sure you write down everything that we know. Make sure you know what you want to know, and then I would say the best thing to do to solve is to draw out our pictures. If you notice, I drew out my little Christmas trees. They are not perfect. I divided out how many ornaments he bought. There was 6 on each. Then, if Mom walked over and she accidentally knocked it over, I crossed that one out, and then you can visually see that there are 6 ornaments she broke. So then you need to figure out how many ornaments are not broken.